Hi guys, so today I'm going to do another unboxing. This time it's an unboxing of Arctic Fox hair dye and Manic bleach. First of all, I just want to get out of the way that yes, I am very sick. Well, not very sick, but my voice sounds very different than it usually does, so sorry in advance for that. I know my voice is really weird right now, but yeah, this is what I have to work with, and I still wanted to unbox this video because maybe I'm going to film how I'm going to dye my hair next week. So this is the box. I don't know if it's in frame because I don't have a flipped screen, but it's a big box. I ordered my hair dye at Attitude Holland because that is the only place I know of that is in the neighborhood, well, a website in the neighborhood where you can buy Arctic Fox. Yeah, I'm just going to show you when I open this box, but I'm going to quickly switch the framing and stuff, and then I'll tell you more about this. So this is what the box looks like. I got a mail before I got the actual package that it will be packaged in a different box. It's not that they have boxes by Attitude Holland, but they recycle old boxes like shoe boxes or banana boxes, or I don't know, this is some other food box I guess, but that's really good, and they even put a sticker on it. This package is recycled with love by Attitude Holland. We love you and the planet. So I think that's really nice that they don't make their own boxes and just reuse different boxes. So that's a huge bonus. So yeah, let's get started. I have scissors with me. Hopefully I will get this box open in a proper way. Ooh, it's a very stiff box. This is what it looks like. Bubble wrap. I'm going to enjoy myself with this. Ooh, and it... big bubbles. Let's pop one. I love bubble wrap so much. On top there is what I ordered, so yeah, we're not gonna look at that yet, but it's handy to know what I paid for each thing and if everything is in it. So like I said, the bubble wrap to protect everything. Yeah, I bought 4 Arctic Fox hair dyes. The first one I took out of the box is Iris Green Semi-Permanent Hair Color in 8 fluid ounces or 236 milliliters. Then the second hair dye is this Aquamarine. It's this turquoise color. This is what that one looks like. They're all the same sizes, so yeah, just the color of the logo is different on each bottle. The third bottle is this one, Sunset Orange. And then the last color is something, I don't know, kind of risky for me, but Cosmic Sunshine, if my camera will focus. Yeah, Cosmic Sunshine. And then the last thing that's in this box is another box. This box over here, 6 boxes of Manic bleach. This is the bleach. I will open one box so you can see what's inside of it. That's what in one box. So of course the cream developer 40 volume. They also had 30 volume, but I always choose for 40 volume because I have kind of dark hair and that seems to work the best for me. So this is 120 milliliters, just a developer cream. The second thing that's in the box is this bleach powder. This is 36 grams or 1.27 ounces. The third thing that's in the box is just a plastic container to mix everything in. The fourth thing is a tiny brush. Always comes in handy because mine was actually falling apart, so it's nice that I have 6 of these brushes now. The fifth thing is this. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay, so this is a hair cap. Just a plastic hair cap. Normally I just use cling film, but it's nice that they included one of these. And the last thing are these gloves. I don't really like using these gloves because they are always way too big. I normally prefer those latex kind of gloves or PVC or whatever they are. But yeah, they also included these gloves. So yeah, that's everything that's in one of these boxes. Of course, all of these products are vegan and cruelty-free. Like I said, this is the first time that I'm using this hair dye, but also the first time that I'm using this bleach. Normally I use Directions, and that's also vegan and cruelty-free, but yeah, I just want to try out Arctic Fox. Another thing I want to mention really quick is that when I opened the box, it kind of smelled like a bubblegum smell. So that was really weird. I don't know if it's the smell of this hair dye. Let me open one really quick. Oh, it's sealed, of course. So yeah guys, that was my unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's really short and my voice sounds awful, but I still hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see me use these products, definitely check back in a week where I will dye my hair. I'm not sure what color I'm going for, but it's definitely one of those 4 colors. And if you have any questions or video requests or anything, just leave a comment down below. Also check out the description box because I will put links of all these products in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! Hehe.